Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now as you can see from the title, today I'm going to be testing out some new makeup products. I have like 5 makeup products that I want to test. So this would be a first impression, plus I'm going to be doing a very glam Diwali makeup look. So yeah, if you would like to see how I create a beautiful look, then keep on watching. Okay, so I have, as you can see, I have moisturized my skin and I have done my eyebrows too because I don't have any eyebrow product. And the first product that I have is this Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Makeup Primer. This is a primer. So yeah, let's see how this one works. I have no idea. I mean, I have heard good reviews about this product. So this is for 700 rupees. I don't know if you guys can see. This is for 700 rupees. So this is how the packaging of the primer looks like. And yeah, let's see how this works. So I'm just going to take a little bit of product. I don't know how much product to take, so I'm just going to take this much product and I'm first going to test it out. So just going to apply wherever I have some pores. I have some pores on my nose, some on my forehead, and I'm just going to massage this product in. Oh god, this is so smooth. Okay, so this doesn't have any white cast. I mean, this doesn't leave any tint. This just melts into the skin and this feels super soft. I mean, this feels very soft. Gosh, I love testing out new products. I think I should make it like a first impressions video. I can do that once in a while. So I don't know if you guys can see, but this does what it says. I'm just going to massage it in really well into my skin. And yeah, I'm gonna move to the next. So guys, I'm thinking of doing my eyes first because I have 3 eye products, so I don't know if the product will have any fallout or not. So before doing my foundation and everything, I am thinking of doing my eye makeup. So what I'm going to do is I'm first going to conceal my eyelids, and for that I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. Okay, so the next product that I have for my eyes is this Lakme Absolute Infinity Eyeshadow Palette, and this is in the shade Soft Nudes. I mean, I'm really excited to try out this palette, and this palette is for 995 rupees. This is how the palette looks like. It has, I'm just going to show you. Oops, it has a brush too. So okay, so this has 12 shades and 6 are shimmery and 6 are matte, and as you guys can see, this comes with a very small mirror for the eyes too, so that's a good thing. And yeah, this is a very neutral palette. I mean, the shades are very beautiful. There are earthy browns, but there are some very beautiful shimmers too. And this also comes with this brush which can be used for applying shimmer shades. And there are, in the back, you can find the name of the shades here. Okay, so I think I'm going to start with a very subtle look for my crease. So I think I'm going to go with this shade, this third shade. The name of the shade is Suede. So I'm just going to dip into the shade and let's see. Okay, you guys can see. Okay, so these colors are pigmented. I can see some brownish shade right there, right in my crease. Can you see that? I have a defined crease there. I don't have any defined crease there. Next, I'm gonna jump in with a darker shade, and for that I'm gonna use this brown shade. The name of this shade is Whisper. I mean, I love the names. Okay, so the names are Ruffle, Silk, Quilt, Velvet, Suede, Whisper, Feather, Wool, Fur, Dew, Peck, Romance. I mean, all the names are very, soft, subtle, beautiful names. So yeah, I'm gonna go in with this brown shade, dip into it and dust it off and just apply it. Can you see the pigment on the outer corner? Whoa, this palette is pigmented. I mean, the matte is really pigmented. I'm just going to apply. I'm just going to concentrate on the outer part of my lid, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to bring this in a little bit. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put the same brown shade in the inner corner also, but in the inner corner, on the inner lid part. So I'm just going to take a little bit, just a little bit, because these palettes are really pigmented. And okay, a little bit, just a little bit is enough. And I'm just going to blend this in right here. Let's show you guys how my eye looks, and this is how I did. Now what I'm going to do is in the middle I'm going to put some glitter, and I really want to put this golden glitter all over my the middle lid. So I'm just going to use my hands, because obviously the glitter works good with the hands. Oh god, just look at this. This looks beautiful, right? I'm just going to put the glitter. Oh, that is pretty. Glitter all over my eyelid. Not all over, just the middle part. Can you guys see that? Just going to place it there, and then I'm going to blend it out later. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with the same brush, and I'm just going to blend this out. Just going to take this glitter, and the name of this glitter is Quilt. Look at that. And I'm just going to put this on my lid. This is also really pigmented. And many people think that this brush is useless, but if you want to apply any glitter, this brush can be really good. As you can see, my eyes are done. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop some of this white on the inner corner, and I'm going to use this brush. So I'm just going to take some of it, okay, and yeah, just pop on my inner corner. Do you guys see that? Oh god, it's pigmented. Oh god, wow, it is so pigmented. And some on my brow bone too. And the name of this shade is Feather. So I really love this palette. I mean, this palette is pretty pigmented. You can try this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to swatch some shades for you to show you how pigmented this palette is. So I'm going to swatch this pink and this purple right here. I'm just going to take the pink and the purple. Do you guys see that? Let me just show you the swatches. Wait. Do you guys see? I mean, this palette is like pretty pigmented, and the best part is you can just build the coverage and build the pigmentation. So this palette is really a good deal. So what I'm thinking of doing a very smudged liner. So what I'm going to use is I have this Sugar Cosmetics Coal of Honor Intense Kajal in the shade Blackout. So this is my first Sugar Cosmetics product, and I really want to try it out. I mean, I have heard so good things about it. So this is how the packaging of the Sugar Cosmetics Kohl of Kajal looks like. So this is a really good packaging. It's like matte black packaging, and this is the Kohl. So I'm just going to show you the pigmentation. You guys see that? It's pretty pigmented, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a very smudge liner using this. So let's do this. I'm just going to draw a line right here. Oh, these are pigmented. Oh, that is pigmented as well. And this glides so smoothly. I mean, this is so pigmented, dude. You guys see that? How easily it glided. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to intensify this a bit. And now I'm just going to smoke this out. This looks pretty good. I'm just going to smoke it out using this pencil brush. So I'm just going to smudge it. I'm kind of creating a wing right there while I'm smudging this. Can you guys see that wing? I'm trying to create a wing while smudging this. Okay guys, I really love this Kohl. I mean, this is a very good matte black, and as you guys can see, this doesn't smudge a bit. This is like a smudge proof Kohl. I mean, this is so good, and this is just for ₹249, so you can try this out. So yeah, so what I'm going to do is I have something different. So this is the next product that I'm going to use. This is the Sugar Kohl of Honor Intense Kajal in the shade 03 Aqua Lung. So I'm going to draw with this on my waterline. I don't know how this is gonna go. So this is the pencil, and oh my god, this is such a pretty color. Let me just show you how pretty this is. You guys see that? I'm going to use this to draw my waterline. I don't know how that is gonna go, so let's see. Oh wow, I mean, this draws so easily, so I'm just going to continue doing that. You guys see that? I mean, this looks so beautiful. Oh god, I'm in love with it. Just going to, okay, so as you guys can see, this Kohl looks so amazing. I really love that pop of greenish blue color. So what I'm going to try to do is I'm just going to try to smoke it out. Why didn't I try sugar products before? I mean, sugar products, I have heard so much about them. You can apply it on your lid, you can apply it as a kajal, you can apply it as a liner. I mean, you can do anything with it. And this is also for ₹249. So I'm back. I have done my foundation, my whole base. I have done everything. I have done a little bit of highlighter. Can you You can see. So I'm going to finish this whole makeup look using last product, that is the lipstick, and this is the Sugar Cosmetics Smudge Me Not Lip Duo in the shade Wine and Shine. This is how the packaging looks. I really love Sugar Cosmetics packaging. So, and this is for $5.99. This lipstick. This is how the lipstick looks. This is the Sugar Cosmetics lipstick. One side is the the liquid lipstick. It's a matte liquid lipstick, and the other side we have the gloss. So I think this shade would go really well with my whole look. Let me just use this. This is the applicator of the lipstick. Let me just show you the swatch and the color. It's a pretty pink color lipstick. I really love this color. Let me just apply it. This is very easy to apply. As you can see, how easy was it to apply, like literally. I mean, I didn't have to dip again. I mean, just all the product I need, I just had to take it once and I had applied it, and this has started drying. It is a bit drying on the lips. Yeah, it's a bit drying on the lips, so you may, if you have very dry lips, so you may just layer it up using lip balm. First apply a lip balm, moisturize your lips really well, and then you can go with this lipstick. I don't know if I want the gloss. I hope you like this video and this beautiful makeup look. I mean, I'm obsessed with this look, and I think this look looked better without the gloss. Do let me know what you guys think about this look, and yeah, if you like this video then give it a huge thumbs up and comment down below. And if you are new here, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more notifications. I have observed that many of you watch my videos but you don't subscribe, so please do subscribe to my video. And yeah, see you soon. Bye bye.